Changing your password on Uber is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account remains secure. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the upper left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Privacy. In the Settings menu, scroll down and find the Privacy option. Tap on it to proceed to the Privacy settings. Step 4. Choose Change Password. Look for the Change Password option within the Privacy settings. Tap on it to start the password change process. Step 5. Enter new password. Follow the prompts to enter your current password, then your new password. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements and confirm the change. After completing these steps, your Uber password will be updated. Remember to keep your new password secure and consider using a password manager for added security.